So now it's time for us to visualize categorical data. Remember, categorical data is just some kind of description. And so in terms of categorical data, you can just have regular old categorical, or you can have categorical binary. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open up a new unentitled document. We can go ahead and open up this fully. And then I'm going to zoom in a tad bit. Okay. So by me zooming in, let's go ahead and load our library stat cow poly package. Okay, great. Run that. Great. And we already know that we have the King County data set in there. Okay, so what I'll briefly do is just show you that if I have the King County data, if I do head of King County, I can see the beginning 6 rows of each of the variables. So one of the things I can note is that race here is categorical. It's categorical. So what I did is, if you go to the R code for this, you could just simply copy and paste this. And so in this class for categorical data, there's a lot of ways that you could potentially graph categorical data, but in this class we're going to use categorical binary. So as you can see, rate is just one categorical variable. Okay, we're going to color the bins blue. We're going to name the plot, the title of the plot, bar plot of race. And whenever it's only one categorical variable, you're going to say type is equal to 1. Okay, and again, df stands for data frame in this situation. So when I run this, let's see, it took a while. Okay, I got a bar plot, so it shows me the count. It shows me the number of individuals that are Asian, Black, Hispanic, other, and white. Okay, so in a more complicated situation, you can also use bar plots to visualize more than exactly two categorical variables. In this situation, okay, since we already have the code, we have the bar plot. Okay, the data frame is called King County. One of the variables is race, as we just seen. The other variable is gender. Okay, and then the other, the color is going to be black. Oh, well, this actually doesn't matter. The color's not going to be black. Main title is going to be the title of the plot. Type 2. The reason why we're doing type 2 is because we have two categorical variables. And in terms of color schemes, now this is going to determine the. So 1 here is going to determine the color scheme. Either it's going to be a 1 or a 2. So I'm not giving you so much flexibility here, but I'm giving you just enough so that you can do so you can be a little bit dangerous. So go ahead and you can run this, okay? And again, since it's not class, I'm not going to sit there and ask you questions, but something interesting is going on in terms of all the races, okay? One of the biggest things, I'll just give you a hint, is that they're occurring at the same rate, no matter what the race is, okay? And that means something, and you'll see that in class. So with that being the case, you have race and you have frequency. So you have one variable, which is race, and the other variable, which is gender, and there you go. So I could end the video here, but I want to make the next video a little bit easier for us. So one of the things I want to teach you all is ways for us to actually access certain variables within our data set. If I do King County and I do $, okay, that's shift 4 for Windows. I don't know what it is on Macs. So we do shift $, and let's say I'm looking at race, right? And I press Control Enter, right? What that's going to do, if I move this down a little bit, I can see each individual's race, okay, which is cool. However, if I wanted to summarize this information, if I do table King County data, table King County race, okay, I get the summarization for Asian, Black, Hispanic, other, and white. So this is me summarizing my data. Okay. So note that I can do that. If it's a categorical variable, you can summarize it by using this table function. And you actually get that variable by using that $sign. Okay, so you can rewind that if you have any issues. Okay, good. This is fun.